Bike time. Alright, y'all, so we just bought some bikes. We here at Tarjay, and yeah, we need some suggestions on bike racks because this was the best we can do. Bike game, get in, sus. That match your bicycle. Maybe you should put it on yours. So they got the baby stuck in the swing. He wanted to get out, but they just decided to push him. She tried to get him out, but she said that he was too heavy. Princess went to go see if the off-road trail was too hard for Ryan's trailer.
Wait, where Princess at?
That's what she went to go see. She went to go see where the trail at. She went that way.
Did I have to go follow her?
No. So you couldn't get him out?
No, ma'am.
You good? Where your shoes off? Slip them on and come on. Slip them on and come.
No, thank you.
No, don't be always.
And we would like also to share some option. I understand that. Hello?
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 I understand that,
Uh-huh.
sir.
Yeah.
Because we'd like to share some option that you can compare with what you have and our recipe.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Hello?
Thank you for having me call and have a great day.
You too.
And I done.
Just look at my phone.
You see me?